on the clock. All right, so I'm so happy and excited to see each and every one of you here, and especially all the superstars, international superstars. My name is Paul Mwatu. I'm the Director of Sales for New Life East Africa. And today I'm so happy because I'm your presenter, and then we'll be able to roll it over to our hosts who are somewhere enjoying themselves. They'll be able to refill. But I'm really happy to see every one of you here. I know we have some guests in our midst. You're most welcome to this meeting. So today it's going to be an opportunity meeting presentation and some exciting stories that we are going to share as we move forward with the presentation today. So you've been invited here by International Superstars team in conjunction with New Life International. And I'm just going to talk about the opportunity of New Life for the benefit of our guests who are on the call today, so that you can be able to understand why we called you here today. So New Life is a company which was started some years back. I'll be able to share that story. But our mission is to make the world a healthier and a happier place to live. And everybody on this call, I know you'd really want to live in a place, in a healthier planet, in a happier planet. And that is the mission for the company of New Life. And we believe that mission starts with each and every one of you on the call today. So the overview of our company quickly, our founder is a gentleman that you can see here called Jerry Brasfield. And Jerry Brasfield was born and raised in US, but when he was growing up as a young person, he had some challenges, some health challenges. And we of us who are parents, we know when our children are growing up, they tend to have a lot of challenges with health because the immunity system is still not fully developed. So he had asthma, and he also had allergies, was taken to different hospitals. And it was not easy for him to be able to come through until a time when our mother met somebody who introduced her to good nutrition and also using some food supplementation. So when you use the good nutrition, some balanced diet, and some supplementation, he gained his health. And he never got out of it. That dream and the challenges that he went through, they still remained with him until a time when he was 19 years, back 1958. That is the time he started the company of Neolife. And our story is very rich. We have been around for the last over 62 years. And ever since then, you can see we have been able to, we are pioneer of cellular nutrition, because the challenges he went through, he realized that good health starts from the cells, and we'll be able to talk more about that. So up to now, it's some good years that have passed, and some exciting stories, and we have now 50 countries today as we speak. So a story which is started in a very small way has been able to spread in over 50 countries, and it is a way that people have been able to identify to make their world healthier and a happier place. As a matter of fact, right now as we talk, the company of New Life is in over 50 countries, as I've said, but in Africa, we in 14 countries, as you can see on our map there. So all the places where it's dotted by green, those are some of the places where New Life has physical office. But we are in more than that countries, because we have other countries where we're still selling our products, although we do not have physical presence. So as you can see, it came through South Africa, and we are talking about 50 years now since when it came to Africa. In Kenya, we are 15 years. So this year we are celebrating, 25 years. We are celebrating 25 years since when the company of New Life came to Kenya. And I can assure you we are growing in many countries, and we have been able to see a lot of things happen. So what has made us to be able to be there even after all that long? It's our company values, the foundation of this country. It is amazing because so many countries, so many companies have been able to come, and they are no longer there because most probably they did not have the correct foundation. They did not have what it takes to be able to withstand, you know, the technicalities of doing business. So one of the things which has been made us to be who we are and where we are today is absolute integrity in everything we say, everything we do. We make sure there is absolute integrity. And number two, people are number one. And with that, number two, we normally say, treat other people exactly the way you'd love to be treated. The products of Neolife, they are unmatchable. Amazing products. I'll be able to take you through them quickly. The research behind the products, it gives you assurance that if you use the products, definitely they will work for you. And it's an equal opportunity, and that is a place where a lot of companies miss it out because they do not want to give people an equal opportunity. We all have, you know, dreams and inspiration, regardless whether you are a male, you're a female, and we look at it as the company of Neolife that everybody is equal across our business networks. Then long-range vision, it's a place which we have been able to really define. Because if you can look at our history alone, it gives you hope and focus that whatever we are telling you, it is something which is long-range vision. So what exactly do we do here? We help individuals to be able to get financial freedom, because we know financial freedom is equal to freedom of choice. Sometimes we don't live the life that we want. We don't live in the houses that we want. We don't take our children schools that we want to take them because of the financial challenges. So Neolife gives you an opportunity to be able to earn enough money whereby you have a freedom of choice. Another thing is travel. We'll be able to take you through how you can be able to travel with Neolife if you're somebody who loves traveling. And then one of the most important thing, it is your health. And in Neolife, we say your health, it is your greatest wealth. You can acquire all the money, but if you're not in good shape, if you're not in good health, I can tell you most of the money will be able to finish in hospitals. So we don't want you to do that, because here we want to lead you and help you to get to know how you can be able to be healthier for long. So let me just look at our health. And when we look at our health, there are three things which define our health. One of them is good rest. We are advised by doctors and scientists and medics to be able to get a good rest after a long day work. The other thing is exercise. It's important for you to engage yourself on physical exercises so that your body can be able to can be able to stretch, and the joints can be able to fit properly, and you can be able to burn all the necessary fats and buildups that you have in your system. And number three, which is very important, it is your diet. And that is where we'll be able to talk more about, because that is what brought our founder the challenges that he went through. And most of the diseases that we are seeing today, that is the main cause. So your diet. But some of the facts are so shocking when our diet facts, when you look at them, the doctors and the medics are telling us 95% of us, we eat food which lacks proper nutrients. So that makes us to be very prone to the diseases that we see. And then 75%, we eat deliberately. We know this is not good for our health. This is not the correct way to eat, but we still go ahead to eat because sometimes it is sweet, it is interesting, it looks perfect. That is what we eat. And because of that, one thing the Scientific Advisory Board that we are going to talk about here and the World Health Organization agreed is, because of poor eating habits, which we have all of us. Now we have what we call the non-communicable diseases. These are diseases that are not transmitted from one person to the other, but they're on the increase as we talk today because of the way we are eating. But then Neolife, because Jerry was not a doctor, and he wanted a medical solution, you know, a healthy solution for us without chemicals. He partnered with all these ladies and gentlemen that you can be able to see here, who we call the Scientific Advisory Board, to do the research of all our products. So all the products that we bring you have been researched by that board of scientists. And they make sure they are based in nature and backed by science. They remove all harmful impurities. to bring you only the best. And you can see them there, you know, the research at work. So we make sure there is the purity, there is potency, so that when you take our supplementation, there is proof of what you can be able to get. So there is a guarantee of what the products can be able to do for you. So what our emphasis of nutrition is what we call a targeted solution. So we have products that will be able to fit all those targets that you can see. Is it heart health? Is it taking care of your home? Is it beauty? Is it kids? It is weight? All these aspects of your life, we have a solution, because we know if we can be able to give you that solution, you'll be able to live your life in a more comfortable way. But these are some pyramids that the scientists and the doctors have been able to bring to us. On my left, there is the recommended one. That is how we are supposed to eat. At the base of it there, you're supposed to do some physical exercise and also manage your weight, because lack of physical exercise and lack of managing your weight, it has brought us a lot of challenges in our health. The other thing is whole grains. Food that you eat is supposed to contain a lot of whole grains. The whole grains is food that has not been processed. The other thing is fruits and vegetables, which is very important for your immunity build-up. And then proteins. We are advised to eat proteins at small quantities, especially if you're over 20 years, you don't need all that much proteins. And fats and sugar, very small quantities. And the reason is all the food that you eat, once the body has taken all that it requires, the rest is stored as fats and sugars. So, but typically, you look on my right, that is how we are eating. Fats and sugars, they're on the top of the chart. Proteins are so much nyama choma. We know ourselves, Kenyans. Fruits and vegetables, very little. We always give it to people who are sick, and the children. Whole grains, nobody wants to wait for whole grains. And physical exercise, nobody is really ready to do some physical activity. So again, because of inverting the pyramid, the non-communicable diseases which are on the increase. So what did the scientists give us as a solution? Because where there is a problem, we need to get a solution. So we have the product which we call the ProVitality. I'm not going to talk about it in depth because it's a lot of information, but I just want to scan through it. It is a formation of 4 products. We have the TreeNN, which is on my extreme left. The TreeNN, it is supposed to feed your cells. It contains it contains wheat. It's made of from wheat, soya, and rice. The bun, the outer cover. They have very special oils which we call lipids and sterol, which are so good to be able to help to make sure your cells are in good shape so that food can come in and waste can come out. Number 2, we have carotenoid, which is very good for the part for the fruits and vegetables, because you might not be able to get all the fruits and vegetables that you require. So the carotenoid complex is a package of fruits and vegetables selected, which gives you the immunity that you require. Your cells are protected so that you can be able to have optimal immunity. So the other one is omega-3 salmon, which is very good for balancing and regulating your cells to make sure there is no inflammation. Most of the issues that we are getting right now, they are inflammation related. So you find your body is not functioning properly because of some inflammation somewhere within the cells. And some of them become cancerous as they build up. So the omega-3 is supposed to help you to regulate that. And then you also have the essential vitamins and minerals complex, which are also very good to be able to nourish your cells, to make sure your cells are in good shape. So whenever you get a ProVitality and you use it, you get all those benefits in one pack. Actually, there are 30 sachets in each and every box. So every sachet will give you a combination of that, and we say that is the foundation of our nutrition. So if you're on this call for the first time, these are products that I recommend you to be able to really interact with so that you can be able to get all those health benefits that we are talking about. They went as far as to be able to get us what we call the herbals. We really appreciate the traditional medicine that used to be there. and they put some scientific advancement on it to be able to, you know, continue with that research which our traditional healers used to use before. So one of the things that you'll be able to see is we know, you know, we as the human beings, men and women, we have different system and hormonal issues that needs to be balanced. So for men, we have masculine herbal, which is very good. We have aloe vera, which is a very good product to calm you, to get you out of stress. We have feminine herbal for ladies, herbal respiratory there for your breathing system, and also the herbal rest and relax to make sure your body relaxes very well. And I said weight is one of the biggest enemies in your body. So you need to get out the excess weight and fats. And we have products that will be able to help you to manage it. Remember, I said we have targeted solutions. So these are some of the targeted solutions that we have. And then for home care, we have products that will be able to help, which are versatile and very economical. Low dose, low burden, and very friendly to the earth. It will not harm the environment. So the LDC, very good for home cleaning, for vegetables cleaning, for housework. Then the care, it's a disinfectant, which is 99.9% able to take care of all the viruses and the germs on your service. Then we have Super 10, which is very good for you for stubborn stains to be able to take rid of them. So as I said, it's just scanning through. We're not going into depth, but we have very good skincare products, which we call organic. Organic means there's no chemical. There's no chemical component in it. So when you use them in their natural way, and they make sure that your body is well rejuvenated. It has the vigor, it has the, you know, the balancing that it requires. And we actually say they're whole and aging to make sure your skin looks younger and youthful for longer. So there are products that I also recommend for us to be able to use. And for the farmers, and I don't want to use the word farmers because all of us can farm. Even in Nairobi, you can farm. You can just have a small sack garden or just some tins, and you need to utilize water properly. So we have a product which is very important, which is called Super Grow. We actually call it the Wonder Drop, which will be able to help your soil, your plants to be able to grow well, to utilize water, to minimize runoff and evaporation. All those issues will be able to be catered for by Supergrow. And those who have used it, they've been able to record increased yield up to 167%. So it's a product that we recommend to everybody. We also have products for children because we know they are quite, children are very prone to a lot of diseases. So we have products to make sure they also grow very well. So as I close the part of nutrition and our products, right now, the whole world is looking for a solution because of the coronavirus. And these are products that will be able to help you to boost immunity because that is what doctors are telling us. When you get coronavirus, they'll just tell you, use vitamin C, just eat some good fruits and vegetables. We have whatever it takes to help you to cover all that. So power your immune support using the products that you can be able to see there. Just a minute, 1 second. Right, I just wanted to get my system correct. So now we need to talk about the opportunity because some of you did not come here because you have some health challenges. You came here so that you can be able to get a place where you can be able to earn some money. So how does the opportunity of Neolife work? First, before the opportunity, we know you have all challenges. Everybody on this call, you have one or two challenges of the things that you are struggling with. I don't know what is your worry. Maybe it's financial crisis, the future is uncertain, retirement, you're looking at it and you just have a couple of years before you retire. I just want to assure you here in Neolife, we have the solution for you. So what exactly happens? Like today, when you look at, because of the COVID-19, and in Kenya, it has been biting. Some of the workers are now either retrenched or they're working on reduced income. But remember, your expenses don't reduce, they're still there. You may not, children are still going to the same school, so you need a quick fix. So you are in the right place because we know you have all the dreams that you can see here. I don't know what is your dream, but I can assure you through this opportunity, I've been able to see people who came, interacted with the opportunity, and today their lives are completely different. So one thing which is very clear to us, we are a network marketing company. And it is the place to be. And we have seen books of it is the business of the 21st century, because employment, somebody will just kick you anytime they want to kick you out. There'll be so much competition. But in network marketing, you do it knowing you are your own boss. So how do you get into Neolife? First, when you join Neolife, we call you an independent Neolife distributor. And we just want you to do three very simple things. But I just want to caution you here. Sometimes things that are simple to say, they are not simple to do. Some people just say they are simple, but you need to determine yourself to want to do them. Number one, you will be required to use the products. Why? Because the way I've been able to show you, none of us on this call today is eating the way we are supposed to eat. So we need to use some products. And the other thing is, once you use the products, you feel their benefit, you build your story, you start sharing these products with other people. And if you want to build your network, then you share the opportunity with other people. And then from there, you get what we call personal development. And personal development comes when you can be able to help other people to get to where you are. So we call that personal development. So this is where you come in. You are the person that is written you there. So you come and partner with the company of Neolife, and you choose from the ranges that I've been able to show you some products to use, be it nutritional, home care, or maybe skincare products. So that is using the products. As I said, that is number one requirement that you need to do. Number two, after using the products, you need to start sharing the products with your friends, with your neighbors, with people with challenges, people without challenges. Just talk to them about health benefits that comes with the products that you have been able to use as you share your story. So for example, if you share the products with about 12 customers and your total PV, when we talk about PV, our products, each product is allocated a PV. So you share PV to the total of 250. At that point, we call you a manager. And when you become a manager, because you have been able to share the products, as you can see there, we will start earning from a bonus pool. We call it bonus sales volume bonus. So that is, you start getting a percentage of the effort of what you have been able to put in. So depending on the number of PVs that you have done here, you'll be able to get between 500 to 5,000 Kenya shillings as a manager. So that is a starting base. So if you continue to share with more people, you start now sharing the opportunity. You are sharing the products and the opportunity at the same time. So let's say, for example, you have shared the opportunity to 3 people who have shared also the products with their customers and other people, and your total PV is 1,000, we call you a senior manager. And a senior manager, it's a step higher than the manager. And you can see they're getting between 12,000 to 20,000 Kenya shillings just for sharing the products with other people. And we just tell you to continue sharing. You don't stop at any, it's you keeps who makes the limit. The company doesn't limit you. So continue to share the products with as many people as you can. As fast as your dream it is, you can be able to achieve it. So let's say the 3 people that you shared with initially, they all share with other people, they become senior managers, these people become managers, and you bring other people here. If your total PV is 4,000, then you become what we call a director. And a director is a position that we respect so much in our organization. Why? Because the financial impact is so big, equal to a lot of salaries of some of the executives of some of the companies that we know around. So your income becomes 60,000 to 100,000 Kenya shillings per month. And I'm saying plus, plus, plus because there are other incentives and benefits that you'll be able to get alongside being a director. So that is a place where we always want people to be. And because I said personal development is very important, if you develop in your team like 3 more directors, you become a WOW team member and your income grows to over 200,000 Kenya shillings per month plus plus. Because when you get to this point, you start traveling the world. So it's a place where you want to be. We call them WOW team members. Some of them are on the call today. And we just tell you, keep on sharing, keep on talking to people. Just in the 3 basic, which I showed you there. You help other people to the total of 6 people. Then you become a president team member and your check is over, 500,000, 500,000. It goes all the way to 1 million, 2 million. It depends on the size of business that you have been able to build. So that is the chart to the top, as you can see there. There's a new position which we call executive manager, which is any senior manager doing between 2,000 and 3,000. We call them an executive manager, but we'll be able to talk about it as we continue to build our business. So at this point, I just want to stop because this is the infrastructure that the company has put in place. But because of time, I just want to stop there. I hope as a guest, you have been able to pick 1 or 2 ideas of what we do in this business. So in case you have not been able to understand everything, don't worry. The person who brought you to this call today, they will definitely be able to help you to be able to understand how to be able to get to know, to get started in this opportunity, and then you can be able to achieve all the benefits you have been able to achieve. I'm just trying to share something very interesting here. Today is a very special day to all of us on the call. Right, let me just try to see whether I can share something that I have for you today. Okay, let's see. Yes, it is there. So today, ladies and gentlemen, it's a very special day for this team, International Superstars team, because today is the birthday for this team. This is the day our founders and our president team members came into this opportunity. Actually, as a matter of fact, they are celebrating 11 years since when their journey started with this company. And of course, it started small, like everybody is going to start from today. So I just want us to look at a video quickly, which will be able to give us an idea of how they started and how they have gotten to where they are today. So I'm just going to share a video quickly. I hope the sound will be able to behave. Okay. I will play it from the Google Play because I couldn't be able to download it, and I hope you'll be able to hear it.
Mbali tumetoka na mahali tumefika, ndiyo maana ninatambua kwamba wewe ni Ebeneza. Sio kwa uwezo wangu, ila ni kwa uwezo wako. Mahali nimefika Baba, acha nikushukuru. Bwana umenisaidia nifike mahali nimefika. Bwana wewe ni Ebeneza maishani mwangu. Ninataka Baba msingi wangu niwe langu come and see what the Lord has done. Oh, come and see what the Lord has done. Come and see what the Lord has done. Jehovah has done me well. Oh, mama, mama, how can I pay for your goodness to me? How will I render for your kindness to me? See my good God has done it for me. You have changed my morning into dancing again. Change my pain into gain. I am favored, I am blessed, so I am walking in dominion. Imela, Chinekeo, Onedikagi, Chinekeo, Kakao Niterua, Chinekeo, Kenedikio, Ndodimeo, Esewo, Chinekeo, Onedikagio, Okaka, Nekerua, Chinekeo, Esewo, Jehovah Jireh, you have done it again. Mighty Matron, you have done it again. Until God, oh, it shall be permanent. Daddy, on any time, Daddy, Menda. I declare my healing shall be permanent, and my blessing will remain permanent. Papa, what you've done, oh, it shall be permanent. Oh, it can I have come to praise your name. Thank you for what you've done for me. You have crowned me with your favor. I'm established by your grace. You have dried all the rivers of Moab in my life and filled my home with your blessing. I'm taking you. You have taken away.
I think it's buffing a little bit, so let's see whether it will finish.
Winter, Gumbao, Yangelano.
Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, that is our president team members. At this point, I can only say, wow. I wish that was my journey, amazing journey. So I just want to bring us our president team members, our international superstars team, Jospat and Pieros, to be able to share with us as they close the meeting. Jospat and Pieros, can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you, Paul.
Wow. Welcome.
Hi, Paul.
Congratulations
Can
on
you
your
hear us?
11th anniversary. Yes, we can hear you.
Wow, thank you very much. And I'm really excited at this point in time. Thank you, Paul, for that wonderful presentation that you've done. As a Director of Sales East Africa, that was really an honor to come to our team and give us the presentation. So thank you for everyone who has come in today. And I want to appreciate each one of us for taking your time to come over and listen to us. So for me, my name is Pieros Cherotich, and seated with me is my husband. I think the pictures that Paul has been able to, the video that he has been able to play for us has been able to tell it all. So as I've said, my name is Pieros Cherotich. I am a teacher by profession. Before this opportunity, I was teaching in high school. Mathematics and physics are my subjects. I'm also a mother of 4 wonderful children. We are parents to 4 wonderful children between the ages of 13 and 6, and we thank God for that. So as a physics teacher, when this opportunity was brought to us, I was attracted by the health part. So I'm very sure that when Paul was speaking about health, all of us have seen the need to take care of our health. So I had a challenge. I was struggling with my health, especially my weight. And so when I heard about the products of Neolife, that they were wonderful, they were natural, I decided to try. So I thank God that they were able to work on me, and that is why I shifted to the business very fast. Jospat joined for money, me, I joined for health. So what I came for, I have been able to achieve so much. So today I really thank God, because through the same opportunity, though I never thought that we would earn money, money has come. My stress was coming because of lack of money. But today we thank God because we've been able to be financially free courtesy of Neolife. And within 7 months of doing Neolife, we became Sapphire directors, that is World Team members. And you saw that World Team members earn good money. So I earned 3 times my net salary, and that was in 2010. In 2011, that is March 2011, I earned 3 times my net salary in only 7 months, what I was earning at the TSC. So I decided to quit my job so that I can be able to pursue this business. And when you look at that video, it can tell it all. I mean, there's a lot of transformation that has happened. As a mother, I knew as a working mother, I will never have time for my family. But through this wonderful opportunity, today I have the time freedom. And actually, immediately I left my job. That time I only had 2 kids, and I got another 2 kids within Neolife. And all this time I've been able to have freedom. And that freedom is not in any other working mother. But today I thank God because I've been able to bring up my children the way I want. I've had to attend every school activity for my kids. I've had to be with them every step of the way and give them the best life ever. So I thank God, this is a great opportunity. I've been so blessed as a mother so that I can be able to take care of my family the way I want. So this is a great opportunity for those of us who are mothers, especially young mothers. It's a great opportunity to give your family the best life ever. And so I thank God. I've been full-time in this opportunity for the last 10 years. It's been the best 10 years of my life. And again, today I've been able to achieve a lot of personal development. When I was teaching physics, I was just a very shy teacher. I could only talk to students, but today my life has totally changed. I thank God. From the pictures you can see, I really looked Mushamba. That is, of course, yeah, but today I thank God because this opportunity has been able to help me to be where I am today. So thank you for so much for your goodwill messages. We thank God because now as we celebrate 11 years, we are looking forward to the next coming 11 years. And we want to make sure that everyone on this call our members, we thank you so much for being together in this business. We've had a lot of teamwork, especially our leaders, and we thank God for that. For our guests who are joining us for the first time, I came in this opportunity when I had my own fears. I never believed in myself, but I was told that someone would mentor me, and today I've been mentored. The company was able to hold our hands, and today we thank God because we are also holding other people's hands. I never came for lifestyle, and as you've seen from the video, we've really traveled so many destinations. Actually, this video has only shown a fraction of where we have gone through Neolife. And I thank God, Neolife has been able to give us that freedom to choose what you want, even for our family. As we speak right now, we are not at home because our kids are on holiday. And so we've decided to give them a treat, courtesy of Neolife. So we thank God so much. This is the best place to be. And I want to welcome each and everyone on this call to join us, especially our guests. Join, don't procrastinate, join immediately, and we are going to support you. Thank you so much. I want to give this chance to Josephat.
Wow, amazing. Thank you so much, Piaros. Hi, everyone, and thanks for being here this evening. Greetings from where we are enjoying ourselves. We've been around here, Emara or Sereni, and we still have some more time to enjoy around here with our children. And this is a dream come true. We never thought that life would be this sweet. So as Piaros has said, Kariuki Josephat is my name. Before this opportunity, I was a full-time lecturer in the university, teaching computer science at Catholic University of Eastern Africa. But my dreams were so high that my good job would not help me to achieve those dreams. So when Piaros was interested with the healthy bit, my heart was pulled into the financial well-being. I wanted to make good money. Where I come from, we are not allergic to money. I've told you I'm Kariuki Kamau. We are not allergic to money. And so I came in here for only 3 reasons: to make money, and the last one, to make money. And you know, when you are so sure of what you want in life, getting it is so easy. And I want to appreciate those of us who are here for the very first time, that you are so hungry for success that at an hour like this, 8 p.m. plus, you can afford to sit here and listen to the end. That is a true measure and a sign that you are a success-minded person. So to move on with my story, you see, in 2010, we were struggling to pay bills. I mean, all the income we were getting, all of it was being channeled into paying bills. So we were like agents of paying bills. We receive money from our employers and we transition that, we take it to, you know, the landlords, you know, we pay water bills, transport, and we have nothing in the first, say, 5 days of the month. And that happened not 1 month, not 1 year, not 5 years. It became the normal way of life. I hope someone can identify with me then. That is 11 years ago. And if that is where you are, ladies and gentlemen, I want to tell you, it doesn't matter what is happening today in your life. What is going to happen in the future is what we must focus on. And we are not any better with the Piaros here. A good number of us here are better than us. But you see, even if you have all the potential and you don't grab the opportunity, then you die with the potential. They say the richest place, the wealthiest place is the cemetery, because people die with their dreams unutilized. So we thank God that on 17th of July 2010, we never hesitated to take this opportunity. Our concern, personally mine, was where will I get time from? Because I was too busy looking for money where there was no money. My children didn't have enough time of me being with them. That is why today we spend quality time with them. We take them to school every morning. We do homework with them every evening. And every holiday we fly them out and, you know, to the best destinations, because I didn't have that time with them then. But then we decided, yes, we are too busy, but becoming broker. So we said we must create time. You'll agree with me, ladies and gentlemen, that when something is so important, time is always there for it. Even this opportunity, those of us who badly want to change their lives, you know what? They are asking, when will we finish so that I can jump in? You'll find time for it. You'll find the 8970 to join. So we started, and in the first month, we got a very small payment, 2,002 Kenya shillings. Now that brought some mixed reactions to our friends. Some of them, they laughed at us. Oh, 2,000 only? But others were excited to see that Josphat and Piers are getting extra 2,000 on top of our monthly pay. That time we had not started networking. We had only bought a few products for our own consumption. But when we saw that we are being paid for the little we did, we put in the energy required. We focused on the business wherever we had some free time. And the second month, we saw the check going to 5,252. Our excitement went higher. The third month, 22,406. And this is on part-time basis. The hallelujahs in the house increased. By the seventh month, that is when Piers resigned, but I continued teaching in the university. 1 year down the line, I was earning more in this opportunity than what the university was paying me as a full-time lecturer. And life began to change. I even imported my first car. I stopped working, using Route 11. And I used to be ashamed those years because I was working with my students. But now life has changed. 2 years down the line, we were already over 200,000. And to cut the long story short, in 2 years, 11 months, we became president team members. And Paul will tell you that that is when we started earning above 500,000 per month. Net, Kenya shillings. Surely, even if you don't know how to invest and to save money, it will save itself in the bank. Now, the problem we had of not having money changed. Now, the problem that we were having was the salary for last month. The income for last month is still here, and more is coming. Now, how do we manage this so that there is no collision? But that's a better problem. And ladies and gentlemen, I'm telling you, the sweet story we are sharing with you will be your story. That's how we were able to start buying even machines. You've seen the latest shape of a Land Cruiser. Praise be to God that we were able to buy that cash. Where we are living in Nairobi, we bought that home. And I can tell you it's damn expensive. And we bought cash. And everything we have is cash. So what I'm saying is, you are most welcome, ladies and gentlemen. We will support you. We'll hold your hand. Don't fear. We call it fear of the unknown. Just jump in and we mentor you as you make money. My parting shot is, even if there are a million reasons as to why you shouldn't join, look for that one reason why you must join the opportunity. May God bless you so much. We'll be meeting in the beaches of the world. And now I challenge you to get in touch with the person who invited you here. And you ask them one question: how do I get started now? No procrastination. Otherwise, life will never change if you procrastinate. Let today be the first day in your life of building a new story. Don't be known by the old story of a difficult life, being affected by coronavirus, the economy, being limited in your life, and you start a new story of life of abundance. May God bless you so much. Thank you very much for finding time to be here with us. We'll be meeting in the beaches of the world if you'll be there to be met. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you, Paul. And thank you, team. And welcome to the club of go-getters. Bye-bye.